Welcome to your Miami Realtors first time login video. When you submit your membership application and it has been completed, you will receive a welcome letter via email. The welcome letter includes instructions on how to log in to miamirealtors.com. Notice that your username and password will be both the same as your license. Please note that it talks to you about mandatory new member orientation and more. Once you have reviewed the letter, be sure to visit Miami Realtors and click on the Miami Gateway. Your first-time login will be your license, and the password will also be your license number. The system will prompt you to change your password. Simply click to log in. You will complete the safety enrollment process. Follow the prompts on the screen. Click below to accept the Miami Association of Realtors rules and regulations. Make sure to type in your name. Please select an answer for each question. What is your birth city? What is your birth year? What is your father's first name? Click Next, and now change your password. Your password must be 8 to 12 characters with at least 6 letters and no special characters allowed. The association recommends to include a combination of letters and numbers for your safety and security. Then click Next. Your enrollment confirmation is received. Congratulations, you have successfully enrolled your account. To download the information, click Download and receive your enrollment agreement. Now click over to the Miami Gateway and get started. Once in the dashboard, don't forget to visit Miami Realtor Live for recorded seminars and tutorials. For additional information, be sure to come back and find out about all the products and services that we offer you. You have now successfully logged in. Be sure to visit the additional videos available on how to register for a class. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.